A road.
794 this morning. We're both struggling this morning.
We're like, which one? It's hard. There you can see the hone. So clearly we're on 794.
Yes, making sure that you all are safe out there this morning. We got some snow accumulation on the roads there. Lindsay, take it away from here.
No, I got you covered. So
Thank you.
obviously the roads are also going to become covered as we go throughout the day. I guess I need another hit of coffee here. But let's talk a little bit about the timeline of today. And I just have the newest updates coming in. I haven't had to really update this too much, but if you notice, I added Sunday to this now. Now that we have the snow that has started, this is the brand new update for you guys. So from now until noon, the snow is becoming steady. This snow that is falling during this time, this is a fluffy snow. This is the easiest to shovel. It is the toughest to drive on because it is more slick. It is slippery. Then from noon to 7, I've been saying this all morning, and this still looks like the case. This is the peak intensity of the snow. It's when the area of low pressure starts to come in and wrap around some moisture and intensity. This is also the period where we likely will have lake effect snow. This will also turn to a wetter, more compacting snow, like a snowman making snow. Here's the thing. That will clearly drop totals near the lake, but then if you have lake effect, it'll increase those totals as well. So therefore, we're all kind of in the same boat of having 6 to 10 inches, whether you're at the lake or if you are away from the lakefront. Overnight, we're going to flip back to light snow. We'll have slick roads again, and this will be ending on Sunday morning. Now, Sunday, yes, we're done with the snow, but you need to watch for blowing snow because the northwesterly winds are going to kick in 20 to 30 miles an hour. So if we end the event as fluffy snow, that stuff can easily get blown around and back out into the roads, which may make it tough for traveling. So we just talked about 794. You can barely see downtown now that the snow is starting to pick up. That's a live look right near the Hone Bridge there, Elkhart Lake. We have Brookfield, and we have Delavan, which has had the snow the longest so far. As far as how much snow we've been getting, I'll have that coming up in a moment, but you can see the snow intensity. It's starting to pick up right there. That's our noon to 7 o'clock intensity that I'm tracking. Some areas in Iowa have already received well over 5.5 inches of snow, 4.4, kind of near the Four Corners there. And then as we get closer to Milwaukee, it's a little bit less, obviously because the snow came in from southwest to northeast. I have yet to get any totals coming in from the airport, or, if you have something you want to report to me, let me know and I'll get some actual numbers from you guys and send those to the Weather Service. These right there, those are radar estimates. So right now we are just all in a blanket of snow. This is the beginning of our snow event. It is an all-day snow event as we are all under a winter storm warning with, again, that lake enhancement is possible. This is our wild card for the event, and how far it goes east will be the biggest question that we'll be watching. But regardless of the lake effect enhancement and regardless of the snow ratios that compact things, we're all in the same boat of 6 to 10 inches of snow. I'm really going to watch that wind because you see it southeast right here. There's that southern curve, so we have no lake effect going on yet. That will be changing through the day. It's a cold day out there, so as you're shoveling, make sure you are prepared and bundled up. The peak intensity again, noon to 7 as we throttle close to freezing. Watch this future cast. This is that lake enhancement, and then you'll see it kind of push up, and then also more intense snow coming in from the southwest. They kind of battle each other, if you will, so it kind of blocks lake effect from getting further to the west, but we will be under that intense band, basically stretching from Kenosha all the way up through Sheboygan and Manitowoc County. That will continue through the evening. Then the low wraps up overnight tonight. It starts to push on out of here, and we're done by Sunday morning. Now, if you're traveling on Sunday, you waited, you didn't want to have to worry about traveling during the day today, just know that it's still going to be a little dicey out there Sunday morning with those winds. The lake effect will pick up midday today. That's going to be the worst time to be out and about. The full 7-day forecast does highlight Sunday. Still going to have those morning slick spots because, again, of the blowing snow potential we'll have with northwesterly winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Monday, we actually also have another chance of snow, maybe another inch out of this, but temperatures are going to be cold enough where you need to make sure that you're picking it up because it's not going anywhere. We're not going to see this melt anytime soon.
All right. I appreciate that, Lindsay. Thank you. Now, before we go to break, a live look outside. This is Brookfield. As Lindsay's been saying all morning, we're under a winter storm warning. Still ahead, the tips to stay safe.